Hi, I'm Anne, and today I'll be showing you how to do this soft pink cottagecore inspired makeup. There isn't really a specific makeup you must follow to look cottagecore. This is just my interpretation of what sort of makeup I think would go well with the clothes. I already have foundation on, so I'll be starting with the eyebrows. I'm using Maybelline Master Shape Brow Pencil in soft brown to fill in my eyebrows, and using the spoolie to fluff out my brow hairs. My goal is to achieve thick, fluffy eyebrows while trying to keep them looking natural. Next, I'm taking this shimmery medium pink eyeshadow and applying it to the front half of my eyelid. I've had this eyeshadow palette for many years, so unfortunately I can't seem to find it online anymore, so you'll just have to find a similar shade. Now I'm taking this warm shimmery brown from the Gloss Mini Face palette and applying it to the outer half of my eyelid, blending it with the pink. I'm using the Kat Von D tattoo liner in Mad Max Brown and drawing a wing that follows the natural curve of my upper lash line. This will make you look a little more innocent and doe-eyed for a softer look. I'm curling my eyelashes next. Then, using a brown eyeliner pencil, I'm filling in my upper waterline. I'm using the Innisfree Skinny and Jumbo Dualcara on my upper and lower eyelashes. If you have any brown mascara, that would be even better to soften up the look even more. Now I'll be taking this warm matte brown from the Gloss Mini Face palette, and using an angled brush, I'll be applying this to the outer third of my lower lash line. This will make your eyes look a little bigger and rounder. I'm contouring my nose and the rest of my face with Art Class by Rodin from Too Cool for School. For the blush, I'm using Etude House Lovely Cookie Blusher in Peach Parfait. I'm applying this to my cheeks and also my nose bridge for a rosy glow. Next, I'm taking the shimmery highlights from the Sleek Face Contour Kit in Light and highlighting underneath the arch of my eyebrows, the tip of my nose, along my nose bridge, and on my chin. I'm also applying this to the inner corners of my eyes. This will add an ethereal glow to the makeup look. For the lips, I'm using Lancome Rouge in Love in 337M Rose Pumetis. I'm finishing it off with this pink lip gloss from Etude House for a dewy look. And here's the final look with my hair styled into a simple side braid. It's a sweet and innocent makeup look with pink being the base colour, adding a romantic flair. I made the eye makeup fairly subtle because I didn't want it to be too much when cottagecore is meant to be inspired by the simplicity of a rural lifestyle. The highlights and glossy lips add a dewy ethereal look that pairs well with frolicking in fields and flowers. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.